Look at that, Mr. John 613.
Friggin' rights. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And that's rabbit skin?
Rabbit skin, freshly killed rabbit.
Oh my goodness.
There for now.
And you're gonna put that on your knife handle?
Yes, sir. First, I'm gonna take this.
So how long does that take?
It takes 2 to 3 days to dry.
Do you have to treat it with anything?
Nope.
You just let it dry?
Just let this dry.
Huh. Oh, that's fancy.
That is rawhide wrap. So for the knife.
And that's rabbit
Rabbit hide.
skin. Rabbit skin rawhide, yeah.
Yeah, the green can break itself around there.
Huh.
That'd be quite nice, actually.
That's definitely unique.
Oh, it is. And nice rawhide strap on it.
I wonder how long that sticker will stay on there.
Let's just hope it
Yeah. I put a sticker like that on my axe. I did an axe handle replacement video and I put a sticker on the axe handle and I swung through some wood and the sticker's getting beat up.
stays. Oh, shit.
And I put one on my car and I put it on the windshield wipers and the ice took one of the letters off, I think.
Man, this rawhide tie is better than I thought.
Oh my goodness.
Holy.
What do you think about the back side of the handle? The butt of the handle?
I like it, that's why I kept it.